In the ever-evolving world of graphic design, mastering the fundamentals remains crucial. While tools and trends may change, the core principles of color theory, typography, visual hierarchy, and white space are timeless. These elements form the backbone of effective design communication. To truly excel, designers must not only understand these concepts, but also apply them consistently. Engaging in short online courses, participating in design challenges, and revisiting old projects with fresh skills can significantly enhance one's grasp of these essential principles. In today's digital landscape, it's not about knowing every tool, it's about mastering the right ones. Adobe Creative Suite remains a staple, while Canva's user-friendly interface is in high demand. Figma is booming, especially for web and UX design. Pairing Adobe Illustrator with Figma can set you up for success in various design fields. Adding motion design tools like After Effects can further increase your value. Focus on deepening your expertise in these key tools to stay competitive in the industry. A successful graphic designer doesn't just showcase visually appealing work, they tell compelling stories through their portfolio. Clients are interested in the process and transformation behind the designs. Including sketches, mock-ups, and the challenges faced during projects can make your portfolio stand out. Consider turning each project into a case study video or blog post. This approach not only highlights your skills, but also demonstrates your problem-solving abilities and creativity, making you more attractive to potential clients. In the graphic design industry, talent alone isn't enough. Building a personal brand is essential to stand out. Utilize platforms like Behance, Dribbble, LinkedIn, Instagram, and even Pinterest to showcase your work. Creating content such as time-lapses of your design process, tutorials, and before and after breakdowns can boost your visibility. Offering free downloads can also attract attention. Remember, clients hire designers not just for their skills, but for their visibility and the trust they inspire through their personal brand. Understanding pricing psychology is key to scaling your income as a designer. Instead of charging by the hour, focus on the value your work brings to clients. A well-designed brand identity could significantly boost a client's revenue, so price your services accordingly. Consider offering retainer packages for ongoing work like monthly content design or brand maintenance. This approach not only ensures a steady income, but also positions you as a strategic partner in your client's growth journey. The future of graphic design is intertwined with technology. Designers who embrace AI tools like Adobe Firefly, Midjourney, or Canva's Magic Design can streamline their workflow and enhance creativity. However, it's the human touch that sets your work apart. Stay informed about emerging trends such as 3D graphics, bold fonts, and Y2K aesthetics to remain relevant. By combining AI with your unique creative insights, you can future-proof your career and lead in the industry. Professionalism, responsiveness, and proactivity are key to building lasting relationships with clients. Sending polished proposals, following up after project delivery, and offering free design audits can set you apart. Clients prefer working with designers they like and trust, not just those with impressive portfolios. By being approachable and reliable, you increase your chances of securing repeat clients, referrals, and long-term contracts, ultimately leading to sustained growth in your graphic design career. In summary, a successful graphic design career hinges on mastering core principles, choosing the right tools, and building a storytelling portfolio. Personal branding and strategic pricing are crucial for scaling your income, while embracing AI and staying on trend ensures you remain competitive. Building strong professional relationships fosters growth and opens doors to new opportunities. The future of graphic design is bright for those who adapt, evolve, and consistently show up. Your creative journey begins now. Embrace it with passion and determination.